How to withdraw credit from Temu 2024. In this video, we're going to be talking about Temu and how you're going to be able to withdraw your credit. Now, if you want to use Temu for yourself, please do make sure to check the link down in the description below to get started off right away. Now, once you're over here in Temu, what you're going to want to do is you're going to go over to your account section over here. And once you hover over to the account section, you're going to go down here where it says credit balance. So we're going to click on credit balance. And once you come over to credit balance over here, if you have any credit right in front of it, it's going to give you the withdraw option where you're going to simply add in your payment methods that you can also add from here. So you can add credit or debit card. And whenever you're in credit balance, it's going to show some balance over here. And on the right side, it's going to give you withdraw. So you can withdraw it straight to your credit card in any way that you want. So that's pretty much about it. That's how you can withdraw credit from Temu in 2024. If you want to use Temu for yourself, do make sure to check down the link in the description below to start off right away. And that is pretty much all there is for this video. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'm going to see you all in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.